Hey lovelies, welcome, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can define your curls, whether it's a wig or whether it's just a human hair ponytail. I do believe that this approach it is very effective. In fact, like I have this headband wig, and normally when I wear this wig, and this is the same strategy that I use, and people will be like, is that your hair? So I started off by moisturizing the hair with some water, and this is a very crucial step. In fact, it is just like our natural hair. If we want our natural hair to be properly detangled so that it doesn't experience too much shedding, etc., we have to ensure that we at least start off by just by adding some moisture to it, right? So this is what I'm doing right now to this human hair ponytail. And this human hair ponytail, I purchased it from Amazon. And best believe it, guys, that when I got this hair, it wasn't like this. In fact, the curls were really tight. However, this approach that I am using right now, this is what helped me to get the curls like this. Alright, so I'm just detangling the hair with this detangling brush that I purchased from Shein. However, as you can see, I did run my fingers through the hair before I use the detangling brush. Just know that using the detangling brush, it is optional. You don't have to use this. I do know that once you apply the water to the hair and once you properly run your fingers through the hair, then that should be enough. So don't think that you have to get a detangling brush. Alright, so now I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner, and this is the Shea Moisture brand. This is the Jamaican black castor oil line, right? So I'm just applying some, and bear in mind that this is totally optional as well. You don't have to use this. Now I'm just applying some eco gel, and you can use any eco gel that you like. There is not a particular type that you have to use. This eco gel, I purchased it from Amazon as well, and of course I'll be leaving a link in my description. So I just applied some eco gel, and I'm just raking the product through the hair. I put what I did one side, and I'm just going to split the hair into two more sections and repeat the same process. Okay guys, so now that I have moisturized the hair, which is a very important thing, I detangle it as well, which is also important. I applied some leave-in conditioner, which is optional. I also applied some eco styling gel, which is also very important. I'm now going in with my mousse. Now this mousse, I purchased it from Amazon, and it's a very important thing when it comes on to, making your curls pop, because what the mousse does is that it helps to control the frizzing of the hair. And you don't have to use this particular mousse, you can always use another brand. I just believe that once the mousse get the job done, then that's the most important thing. So I'm just applying some mousse, and I'm just using my fingers to just go through the hair. As you can see, the curls are looking defined and juicy, and I really and truly hope guys that whatever information that I shared in this video, that it was very valuable and insightful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I pray that God will continue to guide, protect you, and that He will continue to guide and protect and just bless you and your family in abundance. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Catch you in my next one. Bye.